And we have Leela right here. Haha, look at that. It's a leaf headband. We're here at Legoland Discovery Center in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we are about to go check out all the different Lego activities here. Let's figure out what it is, so let's go! I've lived in Chicago suburbs for most of my life, but somehow I've never stepped inside a Legoland Discovery Center by Woodfield Mall. Honestly, I always thought it was just a Lego store, but there's so much more. Inside, you'll find rides, hands-on build zones, and even a lifelike miniature Chicago made from Lego bricks. It's a full indoor playground for kids and Lego fans alike. And as we explore, we're going to rank each attraction, so stick around to see which ones are worth the hype and which one takes the top spot. We saved on our tickets by using the Go City Explorer Pass. It was really easy because we just had to show our QR code. If you're interested, check out the affiliate link below. Starting things off at number 8 is Miniland Chicago. Right when you first walk in, you'll explore a breathtaking miniature Lego replica of Chicago's most famous landmarks, built from over 1.5 million bricks. We had just played Chicago Tourist with my sister Eiffel, so it was extra fun spotting the attractions we just recently visited, this time in Lego form. And you have the L. And it's not a Chicago trip unless you go to the Bean. They have a Lego Bean right here.
So now it is nighttime in Chicago. Lego Chicago, that is. And you can see all the lights come on, the street lamps.
So if you press this button, the fire truck lights up. That's pretty amazing. I still remember the first Lego set my parents gave me. It was like a castle. It probably had like 20 to 40 medieval times character. And when I got that, dude, I thought that was worth $1 million. I played with it. I think we were in Hawaii when my dad gave that to me. So I think there's a lot of Lego memories as growing up. What was your favorite Lego growing up? It's almost like a replica because they have the smiling faces at fountains, like all our Chicago videos, all in one place.
This is my friend Zoe. She's joining us for this adventure today.
Shifting gears to number 7, it's Lego Racers, Build and Test. Design, build, and race your own Lego vehicles against friends on the ultimate test track. This is a spot where you'll find most of the boys with lots of trial and error racing fun.
Man, he's huge. I think this is like life size. Cause look, there's Melissa, and there's Hagrid. He's a little taller, babe, but at least you're the same size as Harry Potter as a kid. We got Dr. Tooth.
Sliding into number 6, Lego Friends Heart Lake City. Build and add your own colorful creations alongside Andrea, Mia, Olivia, Stephanie, and Emma. It was too bad my oldest Addison missed this one because she would have loved it.
These Friends Legos, Addison used to have a full set, and every birthday they would always give her a Friends Lego set, so she had so many of these. This place is pretty fun, and it's like way bigger than I was expecting. I really had no idea because like we live around the area and I saw the big giraffe in the front, but we never really came here because we never knew what was in here.
Pedaling up to number 5, Merlin's Apprentice. Hop into an enchanted cart and paddle yourself into the sky to become Merlin's next magical apprentice. We were surprised to find such a huge ride like this here, and it turned out to be a lot of fun.
Oh, look at these guys!
Really fun, but also really scary. Like me and Rosalie kept screaming when it went down and then right back up.
Oh, look at all these Legos, babe.
I know.
So if you are missing 4-piece yellow, this is the place to go. They have all the different Lego pieces.
Climbing into number 4, Pirate Adventure Island Playground. This interactive pirate-themed play zone was a huge hit. Rosalie and Zoe spent the most time here, even building a Lego fort at the base of the pirate ship.
So even the littles, they can go up here, and they got a nice little slide. So they do have a coffee shop right here. And if you want a birthday party, they have party rooms. So much to do over here.
Roaring up to number 3, LEGO Jungle Expedition. Embark on a wild adventure and explore the jungle, encountering LEGO animals along the way. The moving LEGO animals were especially impressive, and I bet it took such a long time to create these.
A Lego snake. Glad it's not real. Look at this. They even have lizards on the wall that's made out of Lego.
Jumping into number 2, the 4D cinema. Join your favorite LEGO characters on action-packed movie adventure, where wind, rain, and snow effects bring the story to life. We watched the LEGO Ninja episode, and it was one of the most fun 4D movies we've ever seen.
Man, that movie was pretty cool. It was actually a pretty legit movie. It wasn't just like a few minutes long. It was like an episode of a TV show. And it was 4D, so you had your 3D glasses, water's going, wind's blowing. So they all had a great time. But if you have a super little one who sensitive to lights and that wind gets scared easily, might be a one you want to pass. But for most kids, they just loved it. Look at this guy. Painting away. Looks that's pretty high. This guy has no fear.
Before we reveal our top pick, we got a bonus. The Great LEGO Race, which is a virtual reality experience. Even though there was an extra fee for this one, it was totally worth it. This one made us feel like we were in the middle of a race between the different LEGO characters. We were bobbing, weaving, avoiding lava. It was so fun.
We won! That was fun.
It was so fun. Like, my stomach dropped. It felt like you were dropping. And at the end, it was really crazy, especially when everybody crashed into each other.
I didn't even notice this. Look at this. Even the torch hanging decorations made of Lego.
And finally, charging the top spot at number 1 is Kingdom Quest Ride. Hop aboard a chariot and zap trolls and skeletons on the exciting quest to rescue the princess. Our family is pretty competitive, so this was a blast. And the best part, the line wasn't even that long.
And you exit right through the gift shop. We got some Batman, Spider-Man. That's what I would want. That was super fun. I can't believe how big that place was. I can't believe we've never gone here. There was dark rides, regular rides, Legos, play areas. It's perfect for, a couple hours with the family. So if you're here in the streets of Woodfield, make sure you check it out.
Click right here to learn more about Santos Village, another suburban gem.